Namaste and good morning, all you pure souls. If we change our lifestyle, if we change our thought pattern, if we change our behavior, there will be nothing like psychosomatic diseases in our lives. So, just a little bit of effort from our side, and there you go, leading a beautiful life. So, today I'm going to show you a very, very powerful pranayam technique which is called Bhramari Pranayam. Shortly. So, as you can see, I'm sitting in open, I'm taking some fresh air and some beautiful sunlight on me. Wow, I'm already feeling refreshed. That's the beauty. That's the beauty. You know, first thing we need to connect. We need to connect ourselves to Mother Earth. Once we connect ourselves to Mother Earth, automatically our vibration changes. It teaches us to stay humble. It teaches you to stay grounded, and that's a very important quality. And last but not the least, yes, surrender to this Mother Earth, because ultimately our feet is always on the ground. You should always remember that. Alright, so getting back to this breathing technique. Now, pranayam is basically the concept of controlling your breath. Because once you control your breath, nobody can steal your peace. Yes, that's the funda. Alright, so let's begin with the technique. It's a very calming, it will give you a very calming effect on your mind. It will relieve all your stress out. Alright, and it will also improve your nervous system. So let's reap the benefits of this beautiful pranayam. All you need to do is sit in any meditative posture. So right now I'm sitting in normal Sukhasana position. This is a normal cross-legged position, the way we sit regularly. That's it. But please ensure that your spine is erect, because the energy needs to get channelized in the right direction. So your spine has to be erect with your focus in the front and chin parallel to the ground. Alright, so take this meditative posture and gently reverse your palms and keep it on your thighs. This is a kind of a position wherein we are ready to receive the beautiful energy of the universe. This is a kind of a pre-preparation process. This is very important. What posture are you taking? How are you sitting? Means a lot. Alright? So take this particular posture, sit comfortably and close your eyes. So what are we exactly going to do? I'm going to inhale slowly. Inhalation and exhalation should not be rapid. It should be at your own pace. Go slow. Never do things in a hurry, because pranayam is not about race, pure souls. It's all about grace. Alright, so let's do this gracefully. Close your eyes. Be comfortable. Take a few normal breaths. And we start with a Bhramari Pranayam. The name Bhramari is basically derived out of the sound of the humming bee. So the logic behind this beautiful pranayam is, it gives you a kind of a humming sound in your head. So that's a kind of a vibration which you generate. And when you feel those vibrations, as you go deeper and deeper and you connect to those vibrations, there you will get the calming effect. So beautiful, so beautiful. You will feel as if for that point of time, momentarily, you have disconnected with the world and you have just gone within yourself. And that's where we want to reach, right? Because after all, connecting with your inner self is very important, alright? So just pay attention and just observe what I'm doing right now. You can either sit comfortably like this or hold this mudra. Alright? So take a deep breath. That's inhale through your nose. And slowly, gently, while exhaling, make the humming sound. So here I go. One more time. Inhale, and while exhaling, make the humming sound. And while you release, gently rub your palms, feel the heat, cup your lovely eyes with your palms and blink gently and then gently open your eyes. You will really feel refreshed. You know, this humming sound, which is called the bee's humming sound, resonates Om, and Om generates energy. It's a chanting mantra. Please try this, at least do 5 rounds every day and see the difference. It's going to be remarkable. Trust me, it's going to be remarkable. Everything, you will connect to your surroundings, you will connect with the universe, you will connect within yourself, and all the stress, tension, anxiety is out. That's the magic. So these minute changes, hardly takes around 5 to 10 minutes of your time in the morning. But once you do it, once you make it your ritual, you will be spiritual. And that's the fun. That's the mantra. That's the magic. Have a blessed day. Remember, you are a special gift of God in this world. Heal yourself, heal the people, heal the environment because you have the power. Stay positive, stay fit. Namaste.